Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I'll be taking you along how I clean my kitchen. Hope you like and enjoy this video. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Before I start my day, I like doing my skin routine. First off, I'm going to be washing my hands because I've touched some things I completely remember what I touched. But yeah, I start by washing my hands. Then I start with face wash. I've been using this Neutrogena facial wash and the scrub. My sister-in-law recommended it. It's so good and it's been helping with my skin. If you are seeing me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Blessing and I'm a mom of two and live in the UK. I film about faith, food, cleaning videos, parenting tips, and everything lifestyle.
Same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast.
I like taking my time when doing my skincare routine in the morning, especially since my kids has gone to school and everywhere is calm and quiet. I just try to enjoy the serenity before they come back and start maybe crying or shouting. So yeah.
Heart it race, so catch me if I fall. There was once a day that I would
After I finish washing my face, I just tidy the bathroom, make sure everywhere is dry and clean and in order.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
After finishing with my skincare routine, I went downstairs to start with the laundry.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
The weather in the UK has been amazing lately. It's been sunny all day for a couple of days now. I think about 4 days now, which means I get to hang my clothes outside and save on electricity bills as well.
Catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe,
This
always
is how
have your
dirty my
back.
kitchen is. Oh
We like all the
goodness.
same
I made
tracks.
dinner last night. I was so
So
tired, so I
black.
couldn't get to
Said I'm
tidy up
falling
when I
fast.
finished.
Don't remember life before
This
you,
is
that's
me
why.
admiring my skin. My
I
face
feel
looks so
good, you
nice,
look great.
and I'm
I
so proud
like
of
you,
myself
I
because
can't
I've
wait.
I've
A
been
first time,
consistent with the
a first
face
date. You're
the
so fine,
skincare
I'm
routine, and it's
falling.
been paying
You
off
say
really.
wine, I drink straight. Don't
Here I'm
waste
trying to
time,
put the
take my
leftover in
place. I
a
feel
container and put in the
alive, I
freezer.
embrace.
Guys, I love
So
bulk
catch me
cooking.
if I
If you're a
fall.
mom living abroad without no help, no maids, no cook, bulk cooking is the way forward, guys. It's the way forward. So what I do is that I bulk cook. I cook in large portion and put in the freezer, and it lasts me for as much as 1 week, even 2 weeks, depending on what I'm making.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a
Guys, I
view.
was so
I feel
confused at this
good,
point. I
you
didn't know
look
where to
great.
start from.
I
The whole
like
kitchen
you,
was a
I
mess.
can't wait.
Anyways, I
A
start
first time,
by
a first
sorting
date.
out the
You're so
dishes,
fine,
put them
I'm
in the
so late.
dishwasher.
You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time, take my place.
Guys, do
I
you
feel
rinse
good,
your
I
dishes
embrace.
completely before
So
putting it
catch
in the
me if I
dishwasher, or you
fall.
just like put it straight away? Personally, I don't rinse it off. I just put everything in the dishwasher. I only rinse it off whenever we make Nigerian dishes, like some of our soup has got palm oil, so I try to rinse it off with hot water first before putting it in the
I'm falling
dishwasher, so my
fast.
dishwasher is
Give me
not
a prayer
dirty
that this
all the
ice gon'
time.
last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good,
If you've
you look
watched to
great.
this point,
I
thank you
like
so
you,
much for
I can't
watching. Please,
wait.
like I
A
said,
first
don't
time,
forget
a
to give the
first
video a
date. You're
thumbs
so
up. It
fine,
helps
I'm
my
so
video.
late.
It
You
helps
sip wine, I
my
drink
video
straight.
being
Don't waste
recommended by
time,
YouTube
take
to
my
other viewers.
place. I
So
feel
yes, please don't
alive,
forget
I
to click the like
embrace.
button
So catch
and
me
also
if I
subscribe for more
fall.
content. One of the things I hate doing when I was growing up as a child was washing dishes. Guys, I don't know if it's just me. I hate washing dishes. I'm not a fan. I remember then when my mom used to ask us to like do the dishes, me and my sibling will hide some of the plate underneath the table or in the kitchen, just hide it somewhere because we used to hate washing dishes. Even till now, I hate washing dishes. So yes, let me know, guys, in the comment section. Do you like washing dishes? For me, I think for me, I like cooking. Yes, I can stand all day and cook without even getting tired. For me, cooking is therapeutic. But when it comes to washing dishes, God, I hate it. I hate it. So yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Do you like washing dishes? Do you like cooking? Do you like cleaning? What and what you hate and what you like? Leave them in the description. Leave them in the comment section.
I should celebrate, think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want,
After
and I
I
pray,
finish doing
all
the
I need.
dishes, I
Kinda stuck
try to
between a
tidy up
rock
the
and a hard place.
kitchen,
Do I work hard
taking
or
out the
live at my
trash,
pace? You're only young
taking out
one,
the
yeah that's all
trash,
great. But I also want a
taking out the
future where I'm okay.
containers, and
Living
just
life is
tidy up
doing
in
lots of
general.
cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked
Finally,
me.
my
I think it's
plant is
different for
dead.
everyone. Some of us need work,
My
others need
daughter
fun. Some
accidentally,
of
I
us
don't
need
know,
purpose to
stepped on
overcome.
it,
But
or
try
no,
to
I
do
think
what you love
she
when
was
it's said
playing
and
with
done.
it
Cause there's
actually.
so many differences
So
in each of us.
yeah, and
Trust your gut,
I
it
did
can show
try
you
my
what you
best.
want.
This
Living
plant has
life,
been with me
everyday,
for
late at
over
night,
six
not
months
okay.
now.
All I
I
want,
did
and I
try my
pray,
best
all
to
I
water
need
it
are some better
regularly
days.
and like make sure it's facing the
Yeah,
sun.
all I need are some
So
better
yeah,
days.
finally
Cause
my
all I
daughter got
want, and I pray, I
told to
believe in
clean
the
the
better
dishes.
days. Living life, everyday,
Next, I'm going
late
to
at
clean
night,
my
not okay.
hob.
All I
There is
want,
this hob
and I
cleaner I
pray,
use. It's
all I
called
need are some better
Astonish Hob
days.
Cleaner. It's really, really good. I
Yeah, all
highly
I
recommend it.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on
After
straight, gotta
cleaning
flip
the
it and grip it and
hub,
go
I'm
and
just
get
going
an
to wipe
x-ray.
everywhere
What's wrong with
down,
me? I just feel weight
all
pushing on my
the
chest and it's sweet, feel
surface, the
suffocating. Better change my
cabinet, the
mindset,
sink. I'm just
meditate.
going to wipe
Be cool that
everywhere
I'm alive
down.
and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night.
For my sink, I love using these two products, the Safe Perfect Finish for stainless steel and the Safe Power and Shine for kitchen.
Cause all I want, and I pray,
So I just spray the Safe Power and Shine all over the sink and allow it to sit for about 2 minutes. And I'll just scrub with a sponge.
all I
Scrub
need are some
everywhere.
better
Like I
days.
said, it's
Cause all I
so
want,
good and
and I
it works
pray,
perfectly
I
well.
believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm
And I
looking in
finished
the
scrubbing
mirror,
the
so
sink. I'm
foggy,
just going
but I've
to
never
rinse
seen
it
clearer.
out with
I don't
warm
really think
water.
anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate.
After rinsing, I'm just going to dry with a microfiber cloth.
Change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
When I finish drying the sink with the microfiber cloth, I just spray the Safe Perfect Finish for stainless steel. Allow it to sit for a couple of minutes, like 2 minutes,
Yeah,
and
that's
I'll
all
wipe
great, but I
off
also want a
again
future
with
where I'm
a
okay.
damp
Living
cloth.
life
Make
is
sure
doing
it's
lots of
properly
cocaine. Wait, no,
wiped
it's
off
living with
with.
no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on
And if you're
Sundays. I
using
guess it's
that
different for each
product,
of us, and that's okay.
the Safe
Well, I just wanna be
Perfect Finish
happy,
for
how to
stainless
get there?
steel,
Glad that you
after
asked
using
me.
it on your sink,
I
make
think
sure
it's
you
different
not
for
put it
everyone.
on
Some of
for
us
at
need work,
least
others
an
need
hour.
fun. Some of
Don't
us need
put
purpose to
fresh
overcome.
food, or
But
don't
try to
put
do
your
what you
food
love when it's
directly
said
in
and
the
done.
sink
Cause there's
while
so
using
many
the
differences in
product.
each of us.
Allow it
Trust
to
your gut,
sit
it can show you
for
what you want.
at least
Living
2
life,
hours at
every
least.
day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
Look at how my sink looks clean. There's no mark or anything. It looks so perfect. Then after I finish cleaning the sink, I'll just tidy up the kitchen. I'll sweep the floor, mop the floor as well. The upper side, like in front of my kitchen. My kitchen consists of, like, there's a kitchen, the dining, and a family area, of which my kids use as a play area. So after sweeping the floor, I will just sweep everywhere together, mop everywhere together, and tidy up, and that's it, guys. For to mop the floor, I use the Flash all purpose floor
And for the
cleaner.
first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year
Thank you
ago.
so much for cleaning with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.